Navratri is one of the most popular festival of India and it has a special place in heart of all the devotees. Throughout India, Navratri is celebrated with great energy, enthusiasm, zeal and happiness. In most of the states of India, Navratri is celebrated as victory of Lord Ram over Ravan. In northeastern states, Navratri is celebrated to worship 9 avatars of goddess Durga. The 6th day of Navratri is dedicated to worshipping Ma Katyayani. It signifies cheerfulness and joy. She is seen as destroyer of all the evils and also considered as warrior goddess as she could bring back peace to the world. Ma Katyayani is the fierce form of goddess Durga and she is also called Mahishasur Mardini because she defeated and killed the evil and powerful demon Mahishasur. If I share the katha of Ma Katyayani with you all, long ago there was a sage named Katyayan. Katyayan was a huge devotee of goddess Shakti. He used to pray, worship goddess Shakti days and nights. He had only one wish, that goddess Shakti be born as his daughter. During the same time, there was a demon called Mahishasur. He was creating lots of troubles for all the gods. Day by day, power of Mahishasur kept on increasing and that kept the gods worried. The gods kept on worrying a lot about the menace created by the evil Mahishasur. All the gods gathered and they prayed goddess Shakti to kill Mahishasur and save them all from his menace. Goddess Shakti decided to take birth on earth and she decided to grant the wish of sage Katyayan. She took birth as daughter of sage Katyayan. She grew up to be a strong, beautiful fighter and called as Katyayani, daughter of sage Katyayan. One day, 2 messengers of Mahishasur, Chand and Mund, they saw Katyayani and they were mesmerized by her beauty. They went back to their master and told about her beauty, admired a lot how beautiful she is. Hearing upon this, Mahishasur felt excited and happy and she sent one of his messenger to meet Katyayani. The name of that messenger was Dundubi. Dundubi went to meet Katyayani and he told him how great his master was. He also told him that now he is ruler of 3 worlds and also told him that she should marry Mahishasur. They will make a great couple. Ma Katyayani smiled and told him that according to her family tradition, she can marry Mahishasur only if Mahishasur will defeat her in battle. So Dundubi went back and told about this challenge to his master. Mahishasur happily accepted the challenge and the preparation of war began. There was a fierce war between Katyayani and Mahishasur. Katyayani managed to defeat and kill all the demon soldiers and then Katyayani and Mahishasur came face to face. At that time, Mahishasur transformed himself in form of a buffalo. Now this was very challenging for Ma Katyayani. She struggled a lot to fight with him. But then she tricked him and she climbed on his back. Now this was a surprise move for Mahishasur and he tried a lot to shake her off his back, but he failed. And quickly Ma Katyayani placed his foot on back of his neck, pierced his neck with Trishul and cut off his head. This way Ma Katyayani defeated Mahishasur and she is called Mahishasur Mardini. She not just killed Mahishasur but she saved all the gods from the troubles, the menace created by Mahishasur. And she was able to bring back peace to the world. So this is one of the side of Ma Katyayani. If we see the other side of Ma Katyayani, she is prayed, she is worshipped to get a loving and caring life partner. Yes. In most of the states of India, unmarried girls keep fast and they worship to Ma Katyayani to get a loving and caring husband. If we believe the legends, they say that Devi Sita Rukmani, the gopis of Brij, they all worshipped Ma Katyayani to get a perfect life partner. Ma Katyayani is avatar of Ma Durga and she is also called Mahisasurvardhini. Her favorite color is red color. She is depicted to ride on the lion and she has 4 hands. 2 hands on her left carries lotus flower and 2 hands on her right indicates 2 mudras, Abhaya Mudra and Varda Mudra, which signifies forgiveness and abundance. May this Navratri, Ma Katyayani, bless us all and make us all warriors and winners like her to win over all the love and peace. मा देवी सर्वभूतेषु कात्यायनी रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्ये 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 नमो नमः अस्तु.